We continue with the said wheel lesson and hide and lock the layers rim and tire front. And select the tire back. A big part of photorealism is creating details. Open the Libraries panel wheel. If you haven't got Libraries in front of you, the wheel, you can also always import them by selecting Import Library and find them in the Assets folder in the Course folder. Right-click or Control-click on the element structure and select Place Copy and click on the page. Position the element in the 12 o'clock position and zoom in so you can see it better. We must change the look a little bit. So with the Direct Selection tool, you can enter a group without ungrouping. So click on the black part of the element and select the color, the stroke color, rim base. Change the width weight to 0.1 and click outside. Zoom out again. Select the rectangles and then the Rotate tool and Alt-Option click in the center of the wheel. Set the degree here in the Rotate dialog box to 3 and remember to click on Copy. Hold down the Control or Command key together with the D for duplicate and hold them down until the circle is completely finished. There. There are a few ways to create depth in Illustrator. You can use gradients, gradient mesh, and blends. The wheel has a very flat appearance, so we'll create some blends that will make the tire seem to bulge outward. Lock the tire back layer and unlock and show the tire front layer. Select the two wall rings by dragging across the page, and then select Object menu, Blend, Make. There are only two copies, a blend make copies from the one shape to the other. So double-click on the Blend tool in the toolbox and select Specified Steps, only one, set it to 45 and OK. Create a new layer and name it Blend. And lock the tire front layer. Select the Ellipse tool and Alt-Option click in the center and set the size to the usual one, 32 millimeters. We have a red stroke around it, so that's good enough. Select the Scissors tool and click in the 9 o'clock position on the red stroke, and then again in 3 o'clock position, and delete the bottom part that is active. Select the stroke, make a copy, select it, make a copy, and paste in front. Select the Direct Selection tool and click on the point there and use the up arrow key to make them a little bit up there. Select both lines and make a compound path of them. You can see it's closed now, but you remember we need to close the end there by selecting Object, Path, and Join, and the same in the right side, Object, path join. Should not be red, so we select the color, and it should be the wall end color on the fill, of course. So we remove the red line. Copy the shape and select Paste in Back. Apply a red color, fill color to the copy, and then select the Direct Selection tool and click on the top point and move it upwards. That's the red color, just so you can see the copy better. You can drag the handle a bit to make it wider, and then select the color Tire Front instead. Select both elements, both half circles, and then make a blend. Blend, make. Double-click on the tool, select Specify Steps. You will see 104, that's way too many. So 45 again, that's good. We also need a blend on the other side of the rim. There's an easier way to make it. Select the blend and then the Reflect tool. An Alt option click in the center as usual. And here select Horizontal. You can see it moves down there, and remember, copy. Select the Direct Selection tool and click on the dark part and change it to a white color. Show the rim layer and lock the blend layer and open the rim layer. Open the library panel and right-click, Control-click on the element Spoke Cross and place Copy on the page. Place it on top of the reference lines like that. Then select the Rotate tool and click in the center, Alt option, click, and set the size to not 3, but 36. And copy. Control, Command, D for duplicate, until it goes all the way around, like that. In the next lesson, we move on to create the hub and more spokes.